can you name these kitchen tools in English? Let's see.
What do we call it in English? This is a whisk. Whisk. Can you guess? This is a ladle. Ladle. Can you guess this one? This is a spatula. Spatula. What about this? These are tongs. Tongs. What is this one? Can you guess? This is a peeler. Peeler. What do we call it? This is a grater. Grater. What is this one? This is a rolling pin. Rolling pin. Can you guess? This is a measuring cup. Measuring cup. Can you guess? This is a sink. Sink. So what is this one there? This is a strainer. Strainer. What is this one there? This is a stove. Stove. Can you name this one? This is a knife. Knife. What's this? These are a mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Can you guess? This is a blender. Blender. What are these? This is cutlery. Cutlery. Can you guess? This is a chopping board. Chopping board. Can you guess? This is a pot. A pot. Do you know this one? It's a colander. Can you guess? This is a microwave.
Microwave.
Microwave. What is this one there? This is a griddle.
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 Great job. If you learned something new today, subscribe to EL Storio. And I'll see you in tomorrow's lesson.